Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and software prerequisites. Check that your laptop panel supports always-on display behavior and that BIOS/firmware allows AOD. Next, update Windows 11 and the vendor display drivers so new features are available. Open Settings, search Power and Battery, and adjust a power plan to never turn off the display when charging if required. Once done, enable any manufacturer AOD apps. Make sure to keep the device on AC when testing to avoid sleep interruptions. Now you enable the actual always-on display options. In Settings, go to Personalization, then Lock Screen, and turn on any Always Show lock screen or similar toggle. This keeps basic info visible. If the option is absent, use the OEM Control Center app or apply a tested registry change. Always export the key first. Configure display timeout, adaptive brightness, and which apps can push notifications to the lock screen. Once configured, test by locking the device and observing the persistent info. Finish by optimizing and troubleshooting. Lower AOD brightness and use dark themes to reduce burn-in on OLED panels and enable brief ambient patterns if available. If the display won't stay on, check that battery saver and focus assist are off, review group policy for lock screen restrictions, and confirm drivers weren't rolled back. If a registry tweak caused problems, import your backup to revert. Finally, update firmware or contact OEM support when behaviors are hardware locked or require vendor patches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.